Alrighty, this is my 2022 KLX300, and I'll be putting on an Amazon LED bulb. So let's see. That's the stock low beam, high beam. And let's see how much of a difference this guy makes. Looks pretty nice. Hopefully it's brighter than the stock one. Can't really see anything at night with the stock one. So should be an 8 mil. About, well, you can see that. One on that side, one on this side. Mudguard splashed thingy right there. And now we can reach those bolts. I think they're 10 mil. No, we're 12. Yep, 12. And it looks like I forgot 8mm right down there. Alrighty. Really didn't want to have to take the front fender off, but looks like you got to. So 4 screws, and this came right off. And you probably don't have to, but there's a Phillips up under the headlight that adjusts it. I'm going to take out so this falls a little more freely. Alright. Guess I'm not going to take it all the way out. There's a little dust cover. And then a little clip. the wire clip. Alrighty. I just slid right out. And now the new one. Perfect, slides right in. There we go. Sure, I'm gonna cut that out. That took like 6 minutes. I'll put that back on. Boots back on, okay. Time for those 12 mils to go back on. This is probably the easiest upgrade I've done to this thing. Oh wait, I'm gonna put this back on before the fender. Before I put that on, I just want to see if it works. Oh yeah. Alright. That's nice. You don't have to get a relay or resistors or any of that crap. Sure, like half of this isn't going to be watchable. Since I'm doing the head cam thing on the GoPro. Alrighty. Yeah, it's way too high. But that's going to be a lot better. Alrighty. Jesus. Yeah, it's way brighter. So, I'll show you the bolts, just in case the camera sucked. So the angle did, so there's one there. There's one down in there. And then there's that one. I undid those 4 below the fender. And then once you undo those, the 12 mil on both sides. And that's it. Only took about 17 minutes. And that's way brighter. Just gotta adjust it. Where'd the box go? If I can find the link, I'll put the link to this down below, so you guys pick one up too. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful.